right, hi everybody. I wanted to provide a little bit more instruction on submitting these infographics because it's a bit more complicated than our other assignments. I'm going into student preview right now in our course, and I'm going to click to course assignments. We are at the very end of project 3, which is understanding scholarly writing, inside of week 11. If you have not yet looked at your feedback on your rough draft of the infographic, the place that you find it is here inside of Tuesday. You would click right where you clicked to submit, and once you do, you should see an option for viewing my feedback. I believe, and if I'm wrong about this, I apologize, that peer review is available to you when you click on the peer review link. I know for paper 2, some people did look at the peer review content, but they did not look at instructor feedback. I think you want both. And part of why you want both is that in your cover letter, you have to write about both. Right here, this is something that I think is really, really important. All of the guidelines on how to submit this Word document, or I'm sorry, your cover letter are here. It can be on a separate Word document. Please don't try to put it on your infographic. It should be something totally separate from your infographic. If you're not sure about what the cover letter should contain, I would suggest clicking on this, the rubric, which provides a pretty thorough explanation of exactly what the cover letter needs to talk about. Most important to me, I think, is this last question: what did this assignment, the infographic assignment, help you to understand about scholarly publication? That's an important question because our next and final unit has you guys writing a scholarly article, doing scholarly research and writing it up. So make sure you check that out before you go to submit your infographic. What I am anticipating is that everyone's going to submit 2 things. They are going to submit the cover letter as a Word document, and then also a PDF, JPEG, or PNG of your infographic, or a hyperlink to your live published infographic. Please note that there's this third option down here. If you are stuck, you are being told that you need to pay money in order to download or share your infographic. I don't want you to have to do that. The least challenging thing to do is to do exactly what you did on a rough draft. The only problem you will run into is I won't be able to tell what you've hyperlinked. So that's another reason why your cover letter is very important. If you're running into trouble downloading your infographic and you have to do something like just take screenshots of it, you need to tell me in your cover letter exactly where your hyperlinks are. That you gotta direct me to them because I won't be able to click on them. So let me show you what it looks like if you are going to upload a cover letter as a Word document. You're going to click here. If you manage to download a PDF, a PNG, or a JPEG, you are also going to upload that as a file. However, if you manage to get a live link of a published infographic, you are going to submit your infographic by clicking on Write Submission. And when you write your submission, you are going to say something like my infographic, and then you are going to hyperlink to it by highlighting this, clicking on the hyperlink button, and then you would put the URL to your published hyperlink here in this space. I would also ask you to put the actual URL here. Here is the URL. Okay, so let's pretend that this is my infographic. I'll show you what it looks like. I highlight this. Wait, first I need to go and get this. So pretend this is my URL for my published hyperlink. I'm going to highlight this, and then I go back here, and then I click on this, and I click on Insert, and Blackboard gives me this message. And if I go back, oops, did I do that wrong? It did not work. Why did that not work? Okay, now it's hyperlinked. See how it's blue and underlined. But then I also want to put the URL, right? And that comes up as an automatic. So I would do that, and then I would also attach my cover letter, and then I would hit submit. Again, this is only if you are trying to submit a live link of your infographic. I hope that this was helpful. If you have any questions, please let me know. Don't forget about your cover letter. It's really, really important, especially for this assignment, which I think took a lot of people out of their comfort zones. Text me or email me, and I look forward to getting started on project number 4 with you guys this week. Okay, take care, everybody.